Can you fill the boxes? Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Then from here we have A times B is 21. A times B is 21. From here C minus D is 5. C minus D is 5. From here A plus C is 8. A plus C is 8. And from here B times D is 9. B times D is 9. And now AB is 21. AB is 21 and it is 8 times. And now can we find the value of B in terms of A? Here we have B and we can get B is 9 divided by D. And now here we have D and we can get D is C minus 5. So B it will be 9 divided by D is C minus 5. And again here we have C and we can get C is 8 minus A. So it is 9 divided by C is 8 minus A minus 5. That will be 9 divided by 3 minus A. So B it is 9 divided by 3 minus A. It is 21. And it is 9A divided by 3 minus A is 21. And if we cross multiply, then 9A it will be 21 times 3 minus A, and 9 is 3 times 3 times A, and 21 is 3 times 7 times 3 minus A. And 3 will get cancelled. So 3A it is 7 times 3 minus A, and 3A it is 21 minus 7A. So 3A plus 7A it will be 21 and 10A is 21. So A it will be 21 divided by 10, that will be 2.1. And now we get A is 2.1. Now 2.1 times B is 21. That means B it should be 10. and 2.1 plus C is 8. That means C, it should be 5.9, and 10 times D is 9. That means D, it should be 0.9. So we get A is 2.1, B is 10, C is 5.9 and D is 0.9.